If you're thinking about starting a team or starting a brokerage, or maybe you already run a team or a brokerage, but you're not happy with your growth, I want to share the 3 things that I've found to be helpful when running my team and my brokerage. Hey guys, I'm Brett Kreger, and I've run over a 300-person brokerage for the last 6 years, and I want to share with you a framework that I've picked up over those years to help grow the business, but not only that, but help grow the agents inside the business. I think so many agents start a brokerage or a team for the wrong reason. They want to get a lower cap or a higher commission, and they want to keep more of their own sales, and I think they've got it backwards. If you want to just get more of your own sales, go find a brokerage that will just give you more of your own sales. But if you want to take on the liability and the responsibility of a team leader or a broker, you have to understand exactly what you're trying to accomplish. The purpose of starting a team or a brokerage is not to just get 100% of your transaction. It's about trying to get 10% of 100 people's transaction. That's how you can truly scale your business and leverage yourself and actually buy back some of your own time and still earn more money. When running a brokerage, I found that there's 3 sections that you really need to focus on. First section is recruiting. You've got to get people into your brokerage. If you have an amazing brand, an amazing sales system, you've got great referrals, you've got everything you need to be a top producing agent and a great broker, but you don't have any agents coming in the door, then that is a problem. You've got to go out and recruit agents to join your team or to join your brokerage. The second thing is you have to train those agents. If you've got 100 people in your brokerage, but you have no system or training for them, then no one's gonna sell anything and no one's making any money. And when I say training, I don't just mean have a couple ideas or tell agents to go do this or this. I mean set up an actual system for your company, from their onboarding to their initial orientation to their training, whether you do in the field or you have modules for them to watch. Develop a system of best practices or tips and tricks so that they can go take action immediately. Create something that you can run them through so you can make sure they're getting all the education and the training they need up front. This will also take burden off of you so you don't have to answer the easy questions over and over and over again. It can be covered in your modules or your onboarding or your training. This will allow you to scale to more agents because you're not having to hold hands with every single agent that comes through the door. You're able to put them on a conveyor belt of sorts and allow them to move them through their training so they can get out in the field and start producing. And the third thing is you've got to mentor these agents. And what that means is you've got to give them the same opportunity you've been given. The problem with most brokerages is if I'm a top producer, I can only go so far in the company before I hit the broker, and I can never become the broker of most independent brokerages because typically the broker is the owner. So you've got to give them the same opportunity you've been given. Allow them to build a team, allow them to build a brokerage. Give them the training and the support they need, not just as a salesperson, but as a team leader and a potential broker. When you can give agents this opportunity, it's going to guarantee they stick around longer because they don't have to go seek opportunity elsewhere. And that's the exciting part for you, the entrepreneur, the business owner, the broker, when you can start to develop leaders that start to go out and grow your brokerage with you and for you and expand with you and for you. You've created a system that can then generate growth on its own, and you're not having to drive it all yourself. So the path that I want most agents to go through is I want you to come on and find out how to be a top producing real estate agent. Then I want to show you how to manage a small team. Then I want to show you how to go manage a brokerage if that's what you want to do. That's the career path of a real estate agent. If all you do is sell houses for your entire career, eventually you're going to burn out. One day you're just not going to want to go do open houses. You're not going to want to go prospect. Listings are going to be down. Buyers are going to be out of the market. And you're not going to have anything to do because all you're relying on is that next sale. And one day those next sales are going to start slowing down. But if you can build a business or a system or a company that generates leads and growth for you, then you can take your foot off the gas and work through others instead of having to go out and create business on your own. And that's what a true broker does. They provide support, training, mentorship, and opportunity to their agents so that they can grow. The motivational speaker Zig Ziglar once said, if you can help enough people get what they want, you can have everything you want. And I think that's what being a team leader and a broker is all about. If you can help your agents meet their goals, you will inevitably meet your own goals. I hope this framework helped you guys understand what the mindset of a broker should be. You got to recruit people, you got to train people, and then you got to mentor people. You got to give them that opportunity that you're chasing as well. And if you can do those 3 things, you should be able to run a successful team and a successful brokerage. I hope this helps. I hope you found value from this video, and I wish you the best of luck going out and building your team and your brokerage.